What if I told you there's a way to make YouTube video go viral without ever showing your face? People are making thousands of dollars every month doing this, and the crazy part is, it's easier than you think. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create faceless video that stands out without a camera, fancy editing, or spending hours on content. That it sound exciting? Hit that like button. It helps more people find this and start their own journey. Let's jump right in. Software we're going to be using in this video is syllaby.io. Syllaby.io is a software. I've been using it for the last couple of months to create faceless video, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to use it. First of all, you need an account. Those of you who don't have an account, I'll put a link in the description. You get an account. They do have free trial. You can start with a free trial and choose different plans. I'm going to go over the plans later on at the end of this video. Let me show you how easy it is to create faceless video. First thing you're going to see on your left side is you have all the different options you have with Syllabi. So connecting your social account, the calendar, your videos, you publish, the bulk schedule, the video editor, clone, and discover idea. Now, the discover idea, if you click on it, it tells you exactly what idea is trending right now, what idea you want to make a video on. But just remember, it's going to cost you some credits if you want to pick an idea and see if it's worthwhile and how it is on different platforms. The next thing they look at is the real cloning of yourself. You can actually clone your own voice. You click on there, you can just have male, female, your name and the description if you want to put on, and you upload a video or you can record a video. Just click on the confirmation that you're uploading this. This is your own samples. If you want to record video, you just read this, start recording it. And after that, you submit the request. Your voice will be uploaded and you can use that cloning of your voice. The cloning of the avatar, it does cost you extra on top of the plan. It's either $99 or $499. The difference between these two is this one where the background you see in this video, if I recorded it, I'm going to be using the same background throughout all the videos. The real clone studio is where I recorded it with the green screen and I can change the background for a video. And that will cost you $500. And they do have step-by-step how to create avatar of yourself. Next thing we look at it is the video editor. Before that, why don't we start building a faceless video? So we click on the faceless video. Now here you see all the options that you have to go through to create a video. The first one is what type of faceless video you're going to create. You want the AI visual, you want the video wall, where they have all the videos in the background, and you have a text on overlay text, or the B-roll videos. So those are the three options they have it. Let's choose AI visual. And then here you have all the different visuals that you can choose to create your video. The next thing is language, the subtitles, voice, video length, and then they have the advanced options. Then we look at the topic. Topics, either you can upload your own custom script or you can have their AI assistant help you with the script. They also have a URL to video or audio to video. Let's just click their AI script, and there they give you an example of the topics which does good on faceless video. You can choose any of this. Let's just create, say, Greek mythology, and then we'll pick on Greek myths in pop culture. This is where you have it. Now you can also add what else you wanted on it, and then have the writing script for grade 5 level. Also look at this. It's going to cost you 1 credit for each minute of the video that you created. Here you have video length. You can choose different video lengths you wanted. You want a vertical or horizontal. My suggestion is start with short video and see which of the topic hits. And after that, start making it a longer version. And then you have the advanced options. You have the subtitle, and here it's going to show you exactly how it is. So you get that title a bit better. So you can just pick how it looks here, and whichever sounds better, looks good to you, just stick with that. Adam is the voice that I've chosen, but you have a lot of different voice.
Our distrust is very expensive.
And if you like it, just click on that. And then you have this sound enable, so you can pick the sound. So all these sounds, copy free sounds. You just pick which one will go with your video. So it's how high or low you want it. I'm going to stick with this. And you can also have the image transition. You can have left to right, right to left. You can just choose which one. I'm going to stick with this. Folder is what, if you want the videos category or different folder that you made, you can just click the folder and save it there. Let's see. Save as a present. What I'm going to do is ask them to generate me a script, and it's going to cost me 1 credit. The script comes out in a few seconds right here. Says the length is 58 seconds. And if you want to make a video, it's going to cost you 13 credits. So let's just look at it. If you want to make some changes, you can either change the topic you can just click by this, change your topic, or you can ask them to regenerate the script if you're not happy with the script. Do is just click it here. It's going to cost me 13 credit. Once you made this video, it's actually going to go through it and it's going to give you topic for the next video, similar to what you've created it. So it's like, say, discovering, did the Titans really exist? Unraveling the dark truth of Greek mythology. If you like any topic, click it, and it's going to create a video on that. And wait for the video to be created. So the video will be right here, right? Say a rendering time. I'm going to show you a couple of other features by the time this video is rendering. The first one is connect. So you can connect your social accounts to it, and the syllabi will actually upload it directly to your account. So you can, right now I've connected to 2 of my account. One is a TikTok, one is a YouTube new channel. Both of them are faceless. Click on here. It will tell you how easy it is to connect to these 6 events. After a couple of minutes, we finally have our video. We just completed it. Now, what you need to do is, before uploading it, let's just check how the video is. If there's any changes, we want to make it, and we go from there. So the first thing we do is edit. You can go to edit images and subtitles. So these are all the images, and let's just click and watch for a few seconds.
In today's world, Greek myths are woven seamlessly into popular culture, captivating our imaginations and leaving a lasting legacy.
If you want to edit image, all you have to do is scroll over the image and click on edit image. 5 options you have. First one, you can add motion to it. Adding motion to it will cost you about 10 credits. Maybe add 1 or 2. At the start of the video, you can add it. It just captivates the audience. So let's just see this. So click on this. You're going to start adding the motion. The other thing we can do is, then you can just go on the publish. Let this go. I'm going to show you this next step. We can go and publish, and I already have 2 of my accounts connected. What you got to do is you can have AI help you with the writing a description for it, and it's going to write it, and then we can see how much you want it, and then you can customize to each network. Let's do that. The first one is the YouTube. So you do that. You can add title to it. And if you don't like it, you can just ask them to regenerate the title and add the tags. And if you have any categories and all that, you can do that. Generate a thumbnail, the long form, horizontal. You can generate a thumbnail for that. And this is for the top. And then you can just select privacy. You can also schedule it. You can click it. You can schedule it. So I'm making today on 30th, and just calculate to the first in the morning, go there, and it's going to actually schedule it to publish. So it says motion has been added. Let's go back to the videos and view it.
In today's world, Greek myths are woven seamlessly into popular culture. Captivate.
See that? That is connected. So it's pretty good. The other thing I really liked is bulk schedule it. So once you find a topic and you're getting a lot of views and all that, you can actually do a bulk schedule for it, and you can actually pick a topic, and then you can have it for 7 days, 8 days, how many days you wanted. You can actually go all the way to the 30 days, or you can go back. And the post too, you can have 1 post, 2 posts, 3 posts, maximum of 5 posts per day. You can also schedule a time, select the next. So it's going to start creating the videos for the next 7 days, and it's going to connect it to whatever accounts you're connected to. It's going to automatically start sending videos to that at a certain time, whatever created. Couple of bulk schedule, and it did pretty good. It will take me about 5-10 minutes to do this, and then you're done for the next 7 days or 30 days if you want it. And you can also have the calendar, tells you exactly these are all the videos that I have posted it, and they are on the schedule to be delivered to my Faceless video. The main question, how much it costs? Yeah, right. So how much does it cost for you to get started with pricing? So you start, basic is $25 per month. If you want 500 credits, if you want 1,000 credits, it will be $49 per month. Standard, premium, customized, and all of these, you get a free trial. If you do annually, you save about 15% on it. All of them are same. The only difference between is the schedule. If you're on basic, you can schedule 20 posts up to 2 weeks. Whereas if you're on standard, you can schedule 60 posts up to 4 weeks. If you're on premium, you can schedule 180 posts up to 6 weeks. So that's one of the main difference. The other one is for voice clone. I don't use it that much. So 5 avatars is pretty much the same. Then the storage, 5 GB for the basic, and then you have 10 and 20, which is not bad. Now let me show you my channel that I've created with the Faceless. Channel I'm on is Mindset Forget. This is the motivational channel. Right now, analytics, it's been a month. So I got about 1,278, almost 1,300 views in the last 28 days. 8 subscriber, same thing. All right, guys. So this is the unbiased review on Syllaby, how to create your own faceless video, and you can bulk it set in within the next 10 minutes or so. Now, if those of you who are interested in Syllaby, I'll put the link in the description. Get the free trial and start creating faceless video and see how will it work for you. It's working for me. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you still haven't been subscribed to it. Every other week, I'm coming out with a new content on different software. I'm using it, testing it for the online business. Right?